Let's talk about some grammar and vocabulary, specifically with two very similar verbs you may have heard before: waiting and awaiting. What's the difference and how do we use them? Keep watching and find out. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much. Back to the video. Okay, waiting versus awaiting. Vocabulary and grammar. Let's get started. The verbs waiting and awaiting are often mistaken for each other. So, what is the difference between waiting and awaiting? Well, both words refer to the action of anticipating or expecting something to happen in the future. For example, I am waiting for the bus to arrive. So, what is the thing that is going to happen in the future? The bus will arrive. I am waiting for the bus to arrive. The bus is not here. It's coming in the future. So this means I am anticipating or expecting something to happen in the future. The students are awaiting their test results. What are they awaiting in the future? Their test results. So they are anticipating or expecting something to happen in the future. Okay, there are three main differences between waiting and awaiting. The first difference is in the emotion that is involved when using waiting or awaiting. Emotion, okay? The second difference is about formality, formal or informal use. And the third difference is about grammar. So, emotion, formality, grammar. Let's talk about emotion first. Use awaiting when you feel excited or are looking forward to something. The students are awaiting their test results. This means the students are excited or maybe anxious. They are looking forward to receiving their results. There is an emotion involved here: excitement, anxiety, anticipation, something, right? For example, my dog is always eagerly awaiting me when I get home. My dog is happy, excited, wagging his tail. This means my dog is looking forward to seeing me. On the other hand, we use waiting when you are patient. Patient. It means to stay in place, not move until the event happens. So, patience is an emotion, but it's not very extreme, right? Excitement is very extreme. Patience is more neutral. you're not really doing anything, right? For example, I am waiting for the bus to arrive. This means I am not moving until the bus comes, and I am patient, I am relaxed, I am calm. Scott is waiting for the doctor to call him into the room. Scott is not moving, maybe he's sitting until the doctor comes. He is patient and calm. Maybe he's looking at his phone. All of those things, right? He's not really excited. Also, waiting is more neutral than awaiting, right? So this means there is no big emotion involved. So let's talk now about formality. Waiting is less formal than awaiting. Waiting is more common when speaking and in informal writing, text messages, emails, things like that. And because awaiting is an older English word, older in history, this means awaiting is used in formal situations and in formal writing, academic writing, formal business emails, formal situations, etc. For example, what are you doing? I'm waiting for my friends to meet me. So this is speaking or a text message. Informal. Everyone in the courtroom is awaiting the judge's decision. Think about a courtroom with lawyers and judges and police. This is a formal situation, and maybe this is formal writing about a formal situation, right? Okay, let's talk about grammar. Awaiting can only be used with a direct object. Therefore, awaiting is a transitive verb. The students are awaiting their test results. Okay, what are the students awaiting? Their test results. My dog is always eagerly awaiting me when I get home. My dog is awaiting what? Me. Everyone in the courtroom is awaiting the judge's decision. What are the people in the courtroom awaiting? They are awaiting something. The judge's decision. Understand? Waiting is used without a direct object. Therefore, it is intransitive. In grammar, we often use waiting plus for to bring in an object. So waiting plus for is very common to say. For example, I am waiting for the bus to arrive. But we don't say, I am waiting the bus. This sounds strange. Scott is waiting for the doctor to call him into the room. Scott is waiting the doctor? No. What are you doing? I'm waiting for my friends to meet me. I'm waiting my friends? No, not correct. But if I say, "What are you doing?" "I'm waiting." That's correct. Waiting does not take an object. So you can just use the verb. You don't need to say who or what you are waiting for. Understand? Okay, let's summarize the differences between waiting and awaiting. Waiting is used for general waiting or passing the time. Awaiting is used for waiting in expectation or anticipation, excitement, anxiety, some type of emotion, and usually for something specific, an object, right? Waiting indicates patience or passing the time. Awaiting implies emotion, anticipation, or expectation of a specific event or specific thing that will happen. Waiting is often used in informal conversations, and awaiting is commonly used in formal or written situations or contexts. Waiting is an intransitive verb, no object. Awaiting is a transitive verb. This means it does take a direct object. Waiting focuses on the passing of time or a general action. Waiting for the doctor, waiting for the bus. These are general times when you don't do anything, right? You sit and wait. Awaiting focuses on the expectation of a specific event or action. Waiting is frequently used in everyday conversations. Awaiting is more commonly used in professional or formal settings or situations. And waiting emphasizes patience or the act of staying put. Staying put means not moving. Awaiting emphasizes anticipation or looking forward to something. And this can be positive or negative, right? You can look forward to your test results, and maybe you are excited and happy, or maybe you think your results will be bad, so you are awaiting them with fear and anxiety. Either way, it's anticipation. Anticipation can be positive or negative. Okay. All right. Now it's your turn. I will give 5 examples. Choose waiting or awaiting. You might need to use a preposition like for also. Write your answers in the comments section below and your ideas for future videos. Okay, number 1. I said all I have to say. Now I'm your response. Waiting, awaiting. Okay, number 2. I tend to be impatient, so please don't keep me. Number 3. We are the results of the election. Number 4. Why are you for him? He's not coming. And number 5, I'm anxiously the release of her latest book. Okay, let me know your questions down in the comments section and ideas for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to the channel for more free English videos in the future. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes grammar and vocabulary simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.